Hello everybody, this is Önder Bülbüloğlu, BVS Cranes. I'm the chairman of the board. Currently we are Turkey's largest crane manufacturer and one of the top European crane builders. As we approach our 40th anniversary, our production areas have reached around 100,000 square meters. We are proud of installing solar energy systems on the roofs of our 3 factories in Ankara, as well as exporting energy-efficient cranes to 6 continents. From now on, most of the energy we need for production will come from solar panels. We are also happy to implement zero waste, green production policy. I also celebrate the 15th anniversary of World Environment Day with all my heart and to promise to do even better things for future generations. Thanks a lot to everybody.